Hello, my dear children. Today we'll start a new chapter from our grammar book. The name of the chapter is Describing Words, Adjectives. This is chapter number 14. So this is page number 32, Adjectives. Now, what are adjectives? Words that describe a noun are called describing words or adjectives. That means they describe the noun, the naming word. So those words are known as describing words or adjectives. For example, a tall girl. So in this group of words, the word tall is an adjective as it is describing the noun girl. So in these two words, a tall girl. So the word tall, it describes the girl. It tells us something about the word girl. So that is why the word tall is an adjective. Now here we have a few examples. The tree has green leaves. Sneha is a pretty girl. Colorful kites are flying in the sky. So in these examples, the word green, it describes the leaves. The leaves are green. So green leaves. So green will be the adjective here. Then Sneha is a pretty girl. So this word pretty, it describes the noun girl. Pretty girl. So pretty will be adjective. Colorful kites. So colorful, this word describes or tells us about the noun kites. So colorful will be adjective. The describing words or adjectives can be written before or after the naming word. Like here, a red rose. So this is the adjective, red. The word red is the adjective. It comes before the noun, rose. A small fish. Small is the adjective. It comes before the noun, fish. A large animal. So large, this is the adjective and it comes before the noun, animal. But here the earth is round. My shoes are black. The stars are bright. So here, suppose in the second example, my shoes are black. So the word black, this is the adjective and it comes after the noun shoes. The stars are bright. So the word bright is the adjective. It describes the noun stars and it comes after the noun stars. So adjectives can be written before or after the naming word. The words this, that, these and those are also adjectives. They point at nouns. So these four words, this, that, these, those, so they are all adjectives. Now this and these, they are used for persons, places, things, animals or birds that are near us. So when persons, places or objects or things are near us, we use this and these. For example, this shirt fits me. So this shirt is nearer to us. This shirt fits me. We are talking about this shirt. These shoes are mine. So here a pair of shoes are there and it is near us. So these shoes are mine. That and those are used for persons, places, things, animals or birds that are far from us. So we use that and those when persons, places and objects are far from us. For example, that shirt is big for me. So we are talking about this shirt. This is far from us. So we have used that. Then those shoes are not mine. So we are talking about this pair of shoes. This is far from us. So we are talking about these shoes. So we have used those shoes are not mine. We are talking about these pair of shoes. This and that are used with nouns which mean only one. That means when we are talking about singular nouns, we use this and that. Like this shirt fits me. This is singular noun, only one shirt is there. That shirt is big for me. So we are talking about this shirt. So this is also singular noun, only one shirt is there. Then these and those are used with nouns which mean more than one. More than one which means plural. So these and those are used with plural nouns. These cars are new. These cars are new. That means more than one. Plural. That means so many cars are there. So we are using these cars. Who are those girls? So here also plural, more than one, girls. So we have used those. Now question number A. Spot the adjectives and write them in the given blanks. Underline the nouns they describe. Now here we have a set of sentences and we have to write the adjectives here and we have to underline the naming words or nouns. Like in the first one, Miss Jenny is a slim girl with long hair. So slim and long, these both are adjectives. So we have written the adjectives here. And slim describes the noun girl, slim girl. So we have underlined girl. Long hair, long describes the noun hair. So we have underlined hair. Number 2, Mr. Simpson is a kind old man. Now here, kind old man. So the word kind and old, these both are adjectives and they are describing the noun man. The man is kind and old. So kind and old, these both are adjectives. We have written here kind, old, and we have to underline man. Then number 3, see those beautiful red flowers. So here, beautiful red flowers. So beautiful and red, these two words, they describe the noun flowers. So we have underlined flowers and beautiful red, these both are adjectives, beautiful red. Then number 4, apples from Kashmir are sweet and juicy. So in this sentence, we are talking about apples from Kashmir. And the word sweet and juicy, sweet, juicy, these two words, they describe the noun apples. So we have to underline apples and sweet, juicy. These both are adjectives, sweet, juicy. We have written here. Then number 5, these black shoes are mine. So black shoes. And the word these, this, that, these and those. These 4 words, we have studied that they are adjectives. So in this sentence, these black shoes. So these and black, these 2 words, they describe the noun shoes. So we have to underline shoes. And these, we have written here, this word these, it is an adjective. Black, black is also an adjective. So we have written it here. So you will complete question number A in your grammar book. Now this is page number 34. Question number B, names of colors are also describing words or adjectives. So we have studied that the names of colors, red, green, these are describing words, these are adjectives. Color these pictures and write their names. So you have to color all these pictures and you have to write their names also. Then the first one is the picture of an apple. So we have to color it red and you have to write the names of these pictures. So we can write red apple. Similarly here, this is the picture of an orange. You can write orange, orange. Okay. Then this is the picture of mango. You can write yellow mango or green mango. So the names of colors are also describing words. These are adjectives. 5. The word red. This describes the noun apple. So the word red is an adjective. So the names of colors are also describing words or adjectives. So children, question number B also you have to complete in your grammar book. Now come to question number C. Complete the sentences by writing the suitable color names. Now this exercise is also very easy. You just have to see the nouns, the naming words, and you have to write down the color. The first one, a tomato is dash. So we know a tomato is red in color. So we write a tomato is red. Then number 2, milk is dash. So milk is white in color. So we have to write milk is white. Your hair is black. Soil is brown. Parrots are green. So this way you have to complete question number C in your grammar book. You just have to see the naming words and accordingly you have to write the color. So students, you will complete question number A, B and C in your grammar book. That's all for today. Thank you.